In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save for later in Sam's Club. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click so you can park items you're interested in without keeping them in your checkout queue. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Sam's Club website. When the homepage loads, take a moment to confirm you're on the main landing page so the navigation looks familiar and consistent. This feature works best when you're signed in because saved items are then tied to your account and easier to find across sessions, but the process is the same visually either way. Now shift your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. At the very top right corner, you'll see the shopping cart icon. It may show a number if you already have items in your cart. Click that cart icon to open your shopping cart. Depending on your device, it may open as a page or a slide-out panel, but the options you need will be in the same general area. Inside the shopping cart, look through the list of products you currently have added. Find the specific item you want to set aside. Each product will typically display its name, price, quantity controls, and a few quick actions. Next to the item, look for the Save for Later option. It's usually presented as a small link or button near the quantity or remove controls, and it's clearly labeled so you can spot it quickly. Click Save for Later. As soon as you do, the item will be moved out of your active cart and placed into a Saved for Later section. You should see it appear there instantly, confirming that it's no longer part of your current checkout. This keeps your cart focused on what you plan to purchase now, while preserving a convenient list of items to revisit. Keep in mind that saving for later doesn't lock in price or availability, so if something is seasonal or low in stock, it may change by the time you come back. From here, you can continue shopping, proceed to checkout with the remaining items, or browse your saved list whenever you're ready. If you change your mind, you can return to the Saved for Later section and move an item back to your cart with a single click, keeping your workflow simple and organized. That's all there is to it. You've gone to the Sam's Club site, opened your cart from the top right corner, found your item, clicked Save for Later, and confirmed it was moved. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused checkout experience.